Warning for Fulton County, Knox County, Marshall County, Northern Schuyler County, Northern Areal County, Peoria County, Stark County, until 10 a.m. Saturday at 10 p.m. Emergency management reported continued flooding of several roads across the warned area. Numerous low-lying roads are closed, and significant rises continue to occur on area rivers and streams. Emergency management in Woodford County has confirmed that all area roads are open. Some locations that will continue to experience flooding include Peoria, London Mills, Seaville, Pottstown, Hannah City, Glassford, Bartonville, Knoxville, Henry, Hopewell, East Peoria, Pekin, and rural parts of Stark County and Schuyler County. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. The water depth may be too great to allow your car to cross safely.
You are